Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Clayton J.
And I'm Allie.
And today, we are going to my aunt's farm,
To see
okay?
goats.
Goats, pigs, chickens, and I think we can hold them. Like, cause it's, you know, it's not like a real farm. Like, it's a real farm, but like, it's my aunt, so I'm guessing she'll let us hold it.
All right, guys, over there, it looks like it's raining in Boone. That's Boone over there, and we're headed this way.
All right, and we're only like,
This way.
2 minutes away from her house, and I can't wait to see the animals. It's raining, though, so I hope I can film pretty good. Look at it. You can see it's raining. No, that's what we got.
Oh, they live in that trailer?
No, they don't. They live in the house.
Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck?
Alright, nothing in there. This is their house. I think they made everything. Like they made that house. Well, I think her ex-husband did. Chickens and ducks. Oh, there's the big dog. Oh, damn, there's a pig.
There's a fucking cow.
Okay, look.
Guys, ducks crossing.
Look, guys.
Ducks crossing.
There's freaking ducks. The only awkward thing's gonna be is,
Getting
do
in.
we knock? Yeah, like it's always awkward.
Is that Maddie's car?
That one is. Grandma's old
The
car.
gray one?
Yeah, it's Maddie's car now.
Here we are.
Look at the big boy. Look. Damn. I'm freaking
Okay.
dead.
Ready, guys? We're headed in.
Look, this is. Damn, what is that?
God, I gotta pee.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh, it's a friendly dog.
Hey, come on.
There's pigs over there.
Hi, buddy.
Dude, look, there's ducks. I'm gonna catch
Okay,
one.
Clay, the pig is literally fucking humping another pig.
Really?
I'm not fucking Oh, he's in your boat. He's in your boat.
I feel him. That is so funny. Hey, boy.
Are you gonna go up to the door?
God, Allison, take a video of me. Hurry up. Damn, that pig's coming close. Take a picture of me next to the video. Look how big this dog is. Look how big that fucking pig is.
Oh, shit.
Allison, look.
No, it's fucking running at us. Okay, Clay, that chicken's running at us. Clayton, I don't know what to do. Okay.
Hey.
Clay, it's not happy. It's literally coming at us not happy. Look at the pig's ball
Oh,
sack.
is that his? That's balls? Damn.
Okay, that chicken's mad as hell at me. Okay, should we go inside?
Yeah. Oh, that one has a bull ring. What the crap? Dude, I'm touching a pig. I'm touching a pig. Oh, fuck. Allison, that pig's running away. Guys, look. What is that? Oh, damn. Guys, what in the hell is that?
You literally cut it into fucking goats. My crap.
Dude, that's fucking hilarious.
This
Okay.
is our home.
Okay, no, this is the garage.
Is this where the goats live?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, there's another boy. Oh my god. Dude, those are scary. There's another one.
He's growling.
Hey, buddy. No, it's nice.
Okay.
I don't know. You go in first.
No.
I don't know.
Okay, we've been out there.
We've been at the house for like at least 10 minutes already.
Much sugar. Stay out of the way. Clayton's gonna take a picture. And here. Hi, bud. Come on, marshmallow brownie.
Everyone's out here.
Hey, I'll feed it.
You want to feed it?
I want to feed it.
Okay. I guess Allison's feeding.
Can you help me?
Chicken right there.
Yeah?
That's his.
Oh, she just chucked it.
Yeah, her name is Karen, and she's
Karen?
the annoying chicken we have to kill.
Yeah, she was talking to us when we came in. Look at Karen. Karen's out. Oh, big boy.
Yeah, he's That's Petey. Oh, that's Petey.
This one? Yeah, we walked in the garage. There's another one. Oh, the goats are coming out.
No, here. Oh, no, we have out to cousin. It's that big brown one.
I just throw it to him?
Yeah, Mommy has Gerald.
Are those not fainting goats?
No.
Oh, that'd be hilarious.
I've been looking, but the cheapest. Gerald's behind you. I've been looking, but the cheapest one I can find is $150.
Oh
And
my
I want to
goodness.
buy 2 from the same litter, and I'm like, I can't do it.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I can't do it. 'Cause
Where's
these
yours
are
go?
Fucking.
Oh, I was told to throw it. I
Yeah,
threw it.
he threw it, and then
Oh,
I
did he
picked
eat
it up.
Here, give her that one to hold in her hand. And where's Wrangler?
He is under that.
What is red?
These are hilarious.
Yeah, he's under here. Since he's not dirty.
I don't care if he doesn't care.
Come on.
trying to eat. Don't just hit him for no reason.
Hey, he has a hey. Karen is easy to catch. Oh no, pig. See? Come here, Karen. Hi, Karen. No.
Oh.
Get that. She loves you better. And that's.
When I came home one morning.
Oh.
I worked overnight, so I had to get out and beat his ass.
Oh my gosh. They get along good for the most part.
Or use 2 hands. Pickles!
Here, guys. Pickles. Yeah, mommy. There's wasps in this. You can try to kill them. Pickles.
Hey, they're not about to eat me. Hey, chill.
Hit him.
Sit.
Smack him.
Clay, she got a duck.
Oh, you got one.
So their feet, they're really strong and they can claw the shit out of you, so you have to hold them.
Allison, get closer. Look how
You gotta
cool
see its
it
foot.
is.
But look at from them
Oh my
trying.
gosh. It's pretty thick.
They try to mate all the time, so look at her neck and her
Oh,
eye.
that's so sad.
She
You want
lost.
to eat some?
Her eye
Oh,
went.
she will. She's in
Her.
my
They
hands.
keep on pecking at their eye. Her eye,
Aw.
I think.
Wait, can I hold her?
Uh-oh.
Put your
Oh.
hand under her butt.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, can you hold this?
And don't
Yeah.
let her get your arms with her legs.
You got it?
I got it. You're
I am
good.
holding a duck. Wait, can you give the phone to Cassie? And you come in the picture?
Oh, I'm not holding it.
Well, at least come over here.
Okay, I'll come.
Hey, that recording?
I'm sitting over here.
That's awesome.
Alright, here, open. Hold it.
I'm not. Stop.
Another dog. Oh, they're so cute.
That one's a male. So if you listen to how she's kind of honking,
Oh, crap. Oh!
it doesn't hurt, but it freaks you out, right?
Yeah, it did hurt. Holy crap. You want to try it?
I'll try.
Okay.
I'll try.
Coming. Oh.
Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. I'm sorry. I'm so scared.
so scary. I see it. Yeah, I do. Dang it. Get it, Allison. Get it. Dang it. Dang it. Allison, here. Here.
Are you gonna go get it?
Yeah.
Do they have collars?
Yeah, they have collars.
Try it.
Stop.
I got a sheep right
Come on.
here.
That is not a sheep, Clayton. Cut the goat.
Come here, Brownie.
There you go.
See?
Dang, this goat's funny.
Aren't they soft?
Yeah, Brownie.
God, this thing's
Wait, now I gotta
dang,
cut
this thing's heavy.
They're fat because they eat everything outside.
Can you see all three of us?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Toodles. Okay, guys, don't watch me. I'm going to the bathroom.
Dude, that's crazy. If that guy did it to my car, he'd be dead. Go, go,
Oh, oh,
go, go. Oh my God, dude. What in the crap is happening? Is this even illegal? Is this illegal? That guy's laughing too. Hey, go.
oh, oh. Clay! Clay!
Damn it.
Oh, shit.
Did you get him?
No. Clay, get him.
Oh my, it's back on Maddie's car.
Duck. I'm strong.
Oh, oh.
Dude, you're gonna kill them. You don't like you chain them too long, they'll die. If you chain them too long, they'll die.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I did that. My mom said they not chain them too long, or they'll die.
Oh.
I did that before with them.
Well, I think
inside.
they're all still alive.
She only lets you pet her for a second. Hi, Lulu.
Okay, get out of the picture really quick. I'm gonna try to take a picture with it. So stand over right here. Are we in it?
Yeah,
Are the pigs in it?
yeah. It's not going.
It's a video.
Oh.
Damn it, damn it.
trying.
Okay, hopefully we got a good one out of that. So
We
she got
did.
dirty.
Ow!
It looks like Allison can't be a farm girl, can she? Allison doesn't like to get dirty, do you?
Yeah,
when
you
I
have
can't
some on your
shower.
back.
On my back?
Right here.
Oh, that's okay.